Make the ground shake.
Hi, I'm Jacob Sabina, and this is
Luke Arnold.
And this is a video from Miss Toby's Chemistry Period 2. Today, we'll be explaining the differences between physical and chemical changes, all here in our laboratory. My job as Jake is to show you what a physical change is. A physical change is a change that affects the form of a substance but does not alter the chemical composition. Some examples of this are melting, a phase change, change in strength, change in durability, change to crystal form, textural change, shape, size, color change, and volume and density changes. My example for this is the phase change of solid ice to liquid water. I will be demonstrating this by burning the ice with this with this lighter until it becomes water. And the cameraman will film me doing this.
Put your goggles on.
Safety first. I'll be some strategic cunning. As you can see, the ice is already starting to melt. It shouldn't be long before it turns all the way to water. We cut the video for time purposes. After a long time, several pieces of the ice have melted completely into water, which has changed from solid form to liquid form, which is an example of a physical change.
The other type of change besides a physical change is, of course, a chemical change. Chemical changes occur when a substance changes in composition or into a different substance. Our example of this is dissolving rice-filled salt into water. First, let me put on my goggles.
Safety
just to
first.
make sure I don't get any salt in my eyes. Ready? Now I'm going to be dumping the salt into the water. As you can see, the salt and the water have turned into a homogeneous mixture. This is when two substances combine and form a mixture that has one solid part, and it can also be called a solution. And this new solution is our example of a chemical change. Cut! Along with our salt experiment, in which the salt dissolved into the water, but the rice stayed on the bottom. Another chemical change or reaction is burning our script. There's our paper, our script to our experiment in our lab. Burn it. This is a chemical change right here because the paper is getting out of control and changing in its composition. Now I will put the fire out with the ice we melted in our physical change experiment.
So, we have completely explained the differences between physical and chemical changes. With our examples of a physical change, the change from solid ice to liquid water,
and our chemical changes, which was demolishing our paper by burning it and mixing in salt with water.
we had more to this conclusion, and it was on our script, but we burned our script because we thought it would be fun. Bye, Miss Toby.